was fresh air. You know? When I'm going and stressing, I need some fresh air. Sometimes I take a long ride and enjoy the fresh air. Hey, Granddad, I'm vlogging. You want to say what's up to the people? Granddad, you know, he old school. He like, I don't know what vlogging mean, you know?
Really don't.
But he said, what's up, people? You know? Doing everything the Nightlife way, King Nightlife, back with another Nightlife vlog. Hey, I just wanted to catch up with y'all, you know. You know, before I take off here, man, it's raining. You know, getting ready to head on down to the store, pick up some things. But I wanted to catch up with y'all on this vlog. You know, just a little update. Yeah, so we got all 3 cars being worked on at once. And you know, sometimes I need an assistant, man. I need a private assistant, personal assistant or something that could, you know, remind me. I forget about so much. You get so much done, but at the same time, you forget about so much too. So I be feeling like I need somebody who can remind me of something.
I can't even go on the logo.
Oh, he got the Studebaker started.
Yeah. Tell me you thought they went around with y'all and come back. I'll try it out and see how it feels.
I know how it ride. I got a big car like this too. It ride like a boat. You be in here about to fall asleep.
No.
I know it. I know it. You be about to fall asleep in this thing.
Oh, it's so good though.
Go ahead, go back there and get that footage right there. He started the Studebaker.
Oh man. I had to take my club out here last night and put it on my wheel. I just had a funny tip. Really cool thing. Doing that thing. Oh, okay. They have to keep that thing. Oh, no, you don't want to pull out them. That's two great big junk chunks in the back of the tool.
I know, he loves his tools.
He like anything that catches his eye. Get his eye, he want it.
Don't pull him on, though. Don't pull him on, though.
Little dabber do it. Right there.
Nightlife weather.
Jackie got to do it. Jackie got it. A little pressing right up here. I don't know if I can work it. That'll work with them.
Huh? This one? Probably not.
That one got jacked up. Now, like you get, that looks like a rope. That's his shoulder.
Hold that one for me too.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I like this one. I can fit this one. I'll take this one.
That was on the pocket too.
I might wear this one when we go out cruising together.
Oh, you sure you got that one? What little pink shirt?
I know you got more. I can't try them all on. Because I got the dip, you know. I got my cousin waiting for me in front of the house. This one nice too. This one nice too. Huh? Got a little stain on there, little for granddad eating his pizza rolls.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Chili dog. Y'all here. It's on the floor right here.
Yeah, I'll take those though. Definitely.
That one got quick with the grease too. Right in the pocket.
Yeah. I could get it out though. No, I know people. I know people.
Here, that's for the wheel.
No, don't go digging too far from me, granddad. I'm gonna have to come back, you know, because I said my cousin, I told him to wait for me in front of the house. He want me to fix his door or his car. So
We about to go get this piece for this battery.
yeah, y'all gotta go get that part for that battery. I like how the Studebaker don't sound real good.
Yeah.
Make sure you get them pipes on there. You know? Take a picture of me and granddad right here, right now.
Tell me when you're ready.
Oh, y'all. Posse up.
Got it?
Yeah.
Blessings.
Let me
Blessings
show you
and
this
love.
in the garage, man. Come on. Yeah.
Nightlife way.
King Nightlife, we back. You know, yeah, I just wanted to catch up with y'all. You know, we at the spot. We making the pickup right now. You know, as you can see, Jade is sitting to the right of me. And we're gonna go ahead and hop in her and see how she rides now, you know? Make sure everything is all good. But I got confidence in these people, and I know they do really, really good work, so, you know. I just wanted to catch up with y'all and show y'all that, you know? So we gonna go ahead and take her for a quick spin. Go ahead and take her home like Granddad say, let's bring it home, you know? Turn the heat off. I don't know why the heat was on. Yeah, sounding good.
Nightlife way.